Good morning, guys. Nick here with Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink. Today we are in our screen print department. This morning I wanted to show you an improvement that we've had. So the interface can be kind of confusing for some people that are new to it. So what we've done here is we've put some labels on here, manual, auto, print start, print finish. These two toggles are what's going to help you to determine how you're going to run, when you're going to run. So if you're running automatic, you're going to want to push that up, and then print start, you're going to pop that up. Print finish, you want to push that down. If you just want to advance by one, you can use manual. Additionally, we've put, this is our reset button and the emergency stop. So there's a lot of information that goes on with these toggles, because they do multiple things. So what we've done is we've applied a QR code here, and you can just scan that QR code and it's going to take you to the Cobra interface within Trainual, and you can read a little bit more about what some of these functions do if you're unfamiliar with them. Thanks, guys.